So let's continue looking at the really key parts of the new Copilot Studio harness through the lens of what some of our most advanced customers are doing with the platform. We're going to zoom in on Graebel today. Now, Graebel is a company that moves people. Literally. This is one of the largest corporate relocation providers on the planet, processing tens of thousands of moves all over the world, and is building automation for core business processes in Copilot Studio that used to be completely manual. People would pick up a phone or put things in a spreadsheet or send an email, now processing entirely end-to-end through Studio to the tune of, more than 50,000 service order requests a year across dozens of different service categories, really helping this company get to the next level of effectiveness and efficiency. And key to all of that are workflows. Now, we've talked a little bit about agents working together, but workflows are really the glue and the beating heart that helps an agent work autonomously and work with other agents in a structured business process. And customers can start to use these capabilities to not just have agents out there waiting to respond to a chat message and hoping for the best, but really structuring the way that they work and work together. And a lot of that starts with triggers. Really listening for events in underlying systems. A new record is added to a database, a new document is added to a folder. Let's go kick off some work and a process of multiple agents from there. And actually classify those events. Use AI to understand what exactly happened. And is it an RFP document that was updated? Is it a service request that was updated? Is it some other thing we need to take action on? And use that to then route logic in the downstream agents that we select. And that's exactly where the magic really starts to happen. I can start to bring multiple specialist agents directly into the branches of these workflows. Agents that I build on the fly in Copilot Studio, agents that have already been built and exist in my organization. I can even use capabilities from Microsoft 365 Copilot and orchestrate them right inside of these workflows as well. And so this is how we start to build much more sophisticated scenarios that have branching logic, have multiple variables of what can happen, but still use the best of AI within each of those branches. It also helps customers like Graebel be incredibly credit efficient, because I'm using the AI exactly where I need it most, and then putting the rest of the process on structured, easily repeatable rails for everything else. So I can start to build these trees. How does one agent interact with and talk to another? How does a process flow downstream from it? Now, just like in optimizing these individual agents, being able to test and iterate and monitor is existential in terms of building great workflows. And I can do exactly that. I can run inline individual tests of each step. I can see how an agent will react to the output of a previous step in the workflow. And then of course I can monitor all of the live data flowing through these systems, every single run that was triggered, and look at exactly how it was performing so that I can continue to upgrade and improve the workflow as I go. And again, this is a really important part of the secret sauce. Don't think about this as agents or workflows. This is really how they come together, how agents learn to respond to specific events autonomously and start to work as a team through structured business processes. This is exactly how the new Copilot Studio is helping really transform the way companies like Graebel and thousands more work. And we just cannot wait to see what you can do with it as well.